I'm Aria. Hope you and your family is healthy and safe during these uncertain and chaotic times. As the lockdown norms would slowly get relaxed, our daily routine might get some momentum, and hopefully we would be able to take a few baby steps forward. During this lockdown, Barcelona would get encouraging inquiries by customers seeking help through our site on car cleaning and sanitisation services. And what service do we provide? Well, during the lockdown, your car was immobile and would have become awfully dirty and dusty with breeding bacteria, germs and microorganisms. Of course, it can't be cleaned by just hand wash. Hence, Barcelona has tied up with all major workshops in your city to provide thorough cleaning of your car following the agreed step-by-step cleaning process at a very nominal cost. Barcelona offers you two options. The first is the bay wash for complete inside-out cleaning of your car, or you can choose to sanitize your car and make it germ-free. By the way, do you know steam sanitization kills 99.9% germs and bacteria? It almost kills all viruses too. I have made an illustration of the cleaning process for both washing and sanitization. You can scroll down to check the process. I have spoken to all workshops to give you an amazing cleaning service. I would be waiting for your feedback. Do write to me. In the end, I want to thank you personally and everyone in the community who are working to help others in this time of crisis, and to all of those who are making personal sacrifices for the good of our society. We will get through this together. Do take care of yourself.